Energy is the blood of economy and society. The large-scale development and utilization of fossil energy brought about three major challenges: resource constraints, environmental pollution, and climate change. They are severe challenges confronting all human societies. To address these challenges, it is now imperative for us to push forward global energy transition. Electricity is the cleanest and most efficient energy. Clean energy dominant and electricity-centric are inevitable trends for future energy development. On the other hand, the limited and unsustainable fossil resources in the future will primarily be used as industrial raw materials. One important direction of world energy development is to accelerate clean energy development and two replacements, which are replacing fossil energy by clean alternatives such as hydro, solar, and wind energy in energy production, and replacing coal and oil by clean electricity from afar in energy consumption, so as to reduce over-reliance on fossil energy.
中国倡议探讨构建全球能源互联网，推动以清洁和绿色方式满足全球电力的需求。
Global Energy Interconnection, or GEI, is a globally interconnected, strong and smart grid with ultra-high voltage, or UHV grid, as the backbone. GEI will serve as a platform for large-scale development, allocation, and utilization of clean energy globally. By interconnecting large energy bases in the Arctic and equatorial regions and a variety of distributed generation sources, GEI could convert clean energy into electricity and deliver it to various end users. Power grid serves as the fundamental platform for the production, transmission, allocation, and utilization of various energy forms. Therefore, energy network in a sense is power grid network, and the interconnection of energy network is essentially the interconnection of power grids. The energy network, transportation network, communication information network are the three major infrastructure networks on the Earth. Now that the networks of transportation and communication have been interconnected across borders and continents, analogically, the energy network will follow the same direction of global interconnection. Today, many countries in the world are pushing forward energy transition featuring clean and low-carbon development. Now we already have UHV transmission technology in its mature stage, smart grid pioneering the future power grid, clean energy growing at exponential rate, sufficient capacity and low cost, large power grids increasingly interconnecting with each other. The world is ready for global energy interconnection. In recent years, State Grid Corporation of China, or SGCC, has been committed to UHV transmission and smart grid development, and with these efforts, GEI is gradually materializing from theory to practice. SGCC has initiated the Global Energy Interconnection Development and Cooperation Organization, or GATECO. A series of significant achievements have been made after numerous pioneering efforts in resource evaluation, scientific research, equipment development, investment and financing, strategic planning, and demonstration projects. SGCC has built 3 UHV AC and 4 UHV DC transmission projects, with still another 4 UHV AC and 6 UHV DC projects under construction. A number of smart grid innovation projects are launched. By far, power grids owned and operated by SGCC have integrated the largest installed capacity of wind power and solar generation among the world. UHV technologies are also applied to the Belo Monte hydropower transmission projects, Phase 1 and Phase 2 in Brazil. GEI could be elaborated into 3 phases: domestic, intracontinental, and intercontinental interconnection. Rapid progress has been made in China's energy interconnection. By 2025, China energy interconnection will be primarily shaped. This will lay a solid foundation for building energy interconnection globally. GEI will reward the world with significant economic, environmental, and social benefits. From now on, with the support of GEI, if global renewable generation grows at an average growth rate of 12.4% per year, by 2050, clean energy will account for 80% of total energy mix, realizing sustained clean energy supply and completely shedding off the constraints of fossil fuel. Meanwhile, carbon emission can be controlled at around 11.5 billion tons, merely half of that in 1990. With that, the target of holding global temperature rise by 2 degrees Celsius could be reached. The total GEI investment will exceed $50 trillion, tremendously boosting emerging strategic industry, including high-end equipment, renewable energy, new materials, and electric vehicle. Moreover, it will further promote international power trade, tap into the huge potential value by leveraging the time zone, seasonal, and power tariff differences, help narrow regional gaps, and bring unprecedented benefits for all mankind. SGCC will always be open to innovative and win-win cooperation. We are ready to join hands with people from all over the world, promote GEI innovation and deployment. Together, let's make sustainable energy for all come true and turn this world into a peaceful and harmonious global village with sufficient energy, green lands, and blue skies.